Hi, in this video I'm going to cover the basics of integers. So what are integers? They are a set of numbers which include natural numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on, and 0. There are 3 rules for adding integers. 1. If both of the integers are positive, we have to add the two values and give the sum a positive sign. Like if we want to add 1 and 1, as both of them are positive integers, we have to give the sum, which is 2, also a positive sign. If both of the integers are negative, like here we have -1 and -5, so we have to add them both and give the sum a negative sign. So 1 plus 5 is 6. As both of them are negative, we have to give it a negative sign. So the answer will be -6. But if we have one integer as positive and the other negative, we have to complete the sum and check which integer is greater and give the sum the sign of the greater value. Here we have two examples. In one we have -3 plus 5. If we do the addition, we get answer as 2. As 5 is greater and it's a positive sign, we have to give the sum, which is 2, a positive sign. And in the other example, we have -4 plus 2. The sum will be 2, and as 4 is greater than 2 and it has a negative sign, we have to give the sum, which is 2, a negative sign. So the answer will be -2. And we have two main properties for addition. One is commutative property. If the sum of two integers, even in changing the order, remains the same. So here we have 6 plus 4 equals 10. Even if we change the order and keep it as 4 plus 6, we get the answer also as 10. This doesn't apply for subtraction, as 6 minus 4 will be 2, but 4 minus 6 will be -2. Associative property of addition means the sum of three integers, even in changing the order, remains the same. So here 6 plus 4 plus 10 equals 20. And even if we change the order and keep 4 plus 6 plus 10 equals 20, we get the same answer, which is 20. As I said, even in associative property, it doesn't apply for subtraction. Thanks for watching this video.